Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix delay on PS5 KBM. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are directly connected to the console using a high-quality USB cable. Avoid USB hubs or extenders, as these can introduce unwanted latency. Direct connections provide the most reliable and fastest data transfer, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Optimizing your physical connections is always the first step for a smoother experience. This foundation is essential before diving into software adjustments. For peak performance, using wired peripherals is paramount. Wireless devices, even those marketed for gaming, are susceptible to electromagnetic interference and can introduce microdelays, which compound over time. A reliable wired connection guarantees a consistent signal path, eliminating many potential sources of lag. Ensure your cables are in excellent condition and connect directly to the PS5 front or rear USB ports. This simple change often yields significant improvements in responsiveness, making your actions feel immediate. Within your PS5 system settings, a few adjustments can greatly reduce input lag. First, navigate to the screen and video section, then verify that your output resolution matches your monitor's native capabilities. Next, under HDMI settings, consider disabling the HDMI device link feature, as this can sometimes introduce unexpected delays. Crucially, activate game mode on your television or monitor. This bypasses many image processing steps, providing a more direct signal path and immediate response from your inputs. Optimizing your mouse and keyboard settings is crucial for minimizing delay. For your gaming mouse, aim for a polling rate of 1000 Hz, meaning it reports its position 1000 times per second. This setting is usually configurable through the manufacturer's software on a PC, then saved to the mouse's onboard memory. For keyboards, if your model allows it, reduce the debounce time to its lowest stable value. These specific adjustments ensure your inputs are registered with extreme precision and minimal waiting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.